Gently clean. Okay, now we're going to start here. You shouldn't feel much pain. Yeah, so I feel the scarring right there. How you doing good?
Good.
How does it feel?
It just feels a little weird. But
Yeah, that's right. It's gonna feel weird because you're numb. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to open up the scars here that's underneath the skin that's causing a bound down.
it doesn't feel as bad as you'd imagine.
Imagine, okay, good. I'm happy. You're doing great. You're doing really good. So again, we're doing the subcision here, trying to remove some of the scars from underneath. Nice, it literally just opened up right now. Now I can move it more freely. You see that? How you doing?
Great.